Hello and welcome to Money Control. Let's catch up on the latest news from the stock market. From significant investments to major deals, order wins, and acquisition, here is a quick look at which stocks will be in focus in today's trade. First up, Zomato. The National Stock Exchange announced major updates to its benchmark indices, revealing that Zomato will be added to the Nifty 50 index in the upcoming semi annual reshuffle effective 28th of March 2025. Second stock, which is going to be in focus, is Bharti Airtel. The telecom giant said it will raise its stake in Airtel Africa, a UK listed subsidiary, by acquiring up to 5% of the company in one or more tranches during financial year 2024 to 2025. The acquisition will be carried out through Airtel Africa Mauritius Limited, a step-down subsidiary of Bharti Airtel. AAML currently holds a 57.29% stake in Airtel Africa. Third stock, which is going to be in focus, is Vedanta. The company has been declared the preferred bidder for Madhya Pradesh Kohari Diamond Block, which covers a total area of 643.41 hectares and is at the G4 exploration level. Fourth stock, which is going to be in focus, is RVNL. The company has been awarded the status of the lowest bidder L1 for a project worth rupees 156.35 crore by South Western Railway. The project involves the engineering, procurement and construction for the design, supply, erection, testing and commissioning of the 2x25 kV overhead electrification and power supply system. Fifth stock, which is going to be in focus, is Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. The company has approved the sale of non-performing assets and written off loans to an asset reconstruction company. The bank will sell a micro banking pool valued at rupees 364.51 crore, which carries an overall provision of 66.51% on the pool. With that, it's a wrap. For more such updates, keep watching moneycontrol.com and please like, share and subscribe to Money Control's YouTube channel.